Welcome to the FOX19 Business Spotlight, where every day we highlight local tri-state businesses who can make your life better.
Welcome to the FOX19 Business Spotlight. I'm Wayne Jung. Joining me in the spotlight today is Dr. Rebecca Roedersheimer, another one of the esteemed urologists at the Urology Group in Norwood. Dr. Roedersheimer, good morning and welcome.
Good morning.
So millions of people suffer from an overactive bladder. We're here to give them hope this morning by discussing what I feel is a bit of an unconventional treatment, but something that you use all the time, and that is Botox. Talk a little bit about that procedure and how it works.
Well, actually, it's a very simple procedure. What we do is a patient comes into either our office or our ambulatory surgery center. They can elect either local anesthesia or some light sedation. I have a little tiny camera called a cystoscope that gets inserted through the urethra into the bladder, and we inject Botox, the same Botox that's used for wrinkles in your face, 20 different sites throughout the bladder. And what that does is kind of relax the bladder so the patient's not having that frequent urge to urinate and also those sudden urges that result in accidents.
Do you tend to see some results immediately?
Usually it takes 1 to 2 weeks to get the ultimate result, which is about a greater than 50% improvement in their symptoms in about 60% of people, and 20 to 30% of the people have complete resolution of their symptoms.
What about recovery time from a procedure of that sort?
It's actually a great procedure because there's no recovery time at all, especially if a patient chooses local anesthesia. They just go home that day and go right about their business.
And really, many people decline to talk about having an overactive bladder, but millions really suffer from it, don't they?
Yeah, a recent study showed that about 16% of the adult population has an overactive bladder, so that's 39 million people in the U.S.
That's a remarkable number. Don't just suffer in silence. There are answers, and they're at the Urology Group in Norwood. Dr. Roedersheimer, thank you for sharing your expertise.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching the FOX19 Business Spotlight.
For more information on this featured business, go to fox19.com and click on Business Spotlight.